That's What Tequila Does by Jason Aldean. Could sound something like this. Now what makes this song quite cool is the B minor 7 bar chord, the A sus to the A, and a freestyle picking pattern as well, because he doesn't keep it exactly the same the whole way through. So the goals of this study here is to guide you through with the chord shapes, give you alternatives, teach you what sus4 means, and to give you some ideas how you can put your own picking pattern together. Please notice capo fret number 3, and also make sure please you've got the PDF so you can see the chords that I'm referencing throughout the song as well. Now I'm going to start to focusing on my fretting hand so you can see how the chords look and what's happening there. So here we go. Starting with the G chord, notice I've got fingers 3 and 4 in play when I'm playing my G, so I'm not doing this one. This one just sounds fuller and more like the original, and of course, watch the capo fret 3. And your chord should sound like this. Now the trick is to go from here to the B minor 7 as quick and as efficiently as possible. B minor 7 starts with finger 1 across all 6 strings in the 2nd fret. Middle finger goes to the 2nd string at the bottom, 3rd fret, and ring finger number 3 goes to fret 4, string 4, B minor 7. Now for the A sus4, normally your A looks like this, right? Now I'm already feeling a little bit sort of cramped here because the capo is bumping against me, so I find it's a bit of a squeeze. But luckily the sus4 means my ring finger must be in fret 3. So normal A sus4, and that's the first chord he plays, the A sus4. So it should sound like this. Now, if your fingers are nice and thin, you can go to the A like that. You can see again from the top view. But my little pudgy fingers don't like that, so I'm going to change. I'm going to keep the A sus4 the same. But when I go to A, normal A, finger comes down, finger goes up, and I do it like that. So my chord looks a little bit different. Here's my A, 3rd string, 4th string, 2nd string. So you got a choice. This is the more traditional way, A sus4 to A, or you can go for my way if you've got fat little fingers like I do, A sus4, A. Now on the picking pattern, we're now going to go see what the picking hand does. And we're going to start with the first 2 chords. And with the G in place, there's the G that we just mentioned earlier, fingers 3 and 4 at the bottom, you can see it in the corner there. I'm using a pick for this, it just sounds better for me personally, so it's not a must play, but I like using the pick. Now, it's a freestyle, so this is more of a conceptual approach with how to pick it. So slow motion, and instead of playing 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's, and on the strings that I'm doing, I'm going 6th string, that's my bass note is, onto the 2nd string, 3rd string, top string. But if I do this bass and I put 2 and then onto the 4th string, that's also fine. Remember what we said, it's a certain element of freestyle. I try and keep it like this. One more time, a bit closer. There I played the 4th. I don't really mind if you play the 4th or the 3rd, it's still going to sound cool. And if you listen to the original, he doesn't do it the same way every time too. So as long as you got that feel. And then for the change to the B minor 7, let me just quickly show you the fretting hand one more time for the change. The change from the G to the B minor 7 is quite quick. And we need to get this chords nice and clean. So G and then quick change as fast as you can, otherwise you're going to have dead notes. Okay, back to the picking hand. Now after the picking for the B minor 7, which starts on the 5th string, because that's where the root note or bass note is for B minor 7, you go something like this. 4 again, and then a down strum on all 5 strings. If you do 4 strings, it's still going to sound cool, but try for 5, gives a slightly fuller sound. So your B minor 7, something like that. So if you put the G and the B minor 7 together, now we can see both left and right hands for the changes. It could be something like this. 2, 3, 4, and then I like a little extra at the end there, and all I'm doing to get that is I'm just relaxing my tension here. So I'm not going keeping the tension because then the chords will ring. I'm relaxing it. You can see maybe small movement, pressure, no pressure. Very tiny, but pressure, no pressure. So I'll do something like this. And then from there I'll change to my A sus. I'll do that A, but let me quickly guide you through that as well. Again, as we said, a freestyle picking pattern. I'm busy playing an A sus. You can hear the suspended sound. There's the normal A, suspended, normal. So I've got the sus4 in place, and I'm starting with the 5th string. And that's my basic go-to pattern for this song. So I'm playing basically root note, 2nd string, 3rd string, top. But sometimes I'll go 1st, 2nd, 4th, and then onto the highest string. They're both going to sound cool, trust me. And then once you've done this, the down strum that I did now is actually on the A. So I'm hoping you can hear that note change when I strum it. And that's in essence your song. So you're going to try and jam it through with me. Let's give it a go. We've got G in place, 2, 3, 4. Basically the essences for all you need for this song. There's no real great changes the whole way through. On the PDF you can see all the chord shapes over there, capo fret 3 like I said. So you should be equipped now to have a go with That's What Tequila Does. If you need a copy of the PDF, let me know. I'll be happy to send it through to you. And hope you enjoy the song. It's a really cool one. Take care. Cheers.